If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Binance, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received any verification emails from Binance. Sometimes additional information or confirmation is required to complete the verification process. Step 2. Review your documents. Make sure that the documents you submitted for verification are clear, valid, and meet Binance's requirements. This includes checking for proper lighting, resolution, and that all necessary information is visible. Step 3. Resubmit documents. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the status remains pending after resubmission, reach out to Binance customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain your situation for further assistance. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. Verification can take time, but they will inform you once your account status has been updated. Following these steps should help you resolve the verification pending issue on Binance. Remember to keep an eye on your email for updates from the support team.